In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bell curve in Microsoft Excel. To start, open your Microsoft Excel file and prepare your worksheet by setting up appropriate column headings. You'll want to include categories for your data, the mean, standard deviation, and distribution. These will act as the building blocks for our calculations and ultimately our chart. Firstly, let's calculate the mean, which is essentially the arithmetic average of your data set and will serve as the central axis for your bell curve. To do this, go to cell B2 and enter the formula equals average and then select your data range, perhaps something like A2 through A10. Once you press enter, Excel computes the mean for you, neatly setting the stage for a symmetrically distributed bell curve around this central point. Next, determine the standard deviation, an important statistic that tells us how much your data varies or spreads out from the mean. In cell C2, use the formula equals stdev with the data range again, such as A2 through A10. This formula will help us understand the variability within your data set. Now, let's delve into mapping the probabilities necessary for our bell curve. Here's where Excel's normdst function comes into play. In cell D2, enter equals normdist, followed by the data point from column A, the mean locked in cell B2, the standard deviation locked in cell C2, and set the final argument to false. What this does is calculate the cumulative probability that a randomly selected value from your data set is less than or equal to the specified data point, given our calculated mean and standard deviation. After successfully inputting this formula, it's time to copy it down to fill the cells from D3 through D10 using the fill handle. This step is crucial because it generates the complete set of normal distribution values corresponding to each of your data points, laying the foundation for our bell curve. With your data points and their associated probabilities calculated, select the range from A2 through A10 and then also include D2. This selection encompasses both your data and our calculated probabilities, crucial for the next phase of creating the visual. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window, and within the Charts group, opt for the Scatter Plot with smooth lines. This action generates a scatter plot, and right before your eyes, your bell curve takes shape. Now, all that's left is to customize it as needed. You can tweak the chart title, labels, and format to boost its readability and visual appeal. Once satisfied, save your work by entering a clear descriptive name for your template. By doing so, you enable yourself to apply this same bell curve configuration to various data sets in the future. And there you have it. You've now mastered how to create and save a bell curve chart in Excel, which is an invaluable tool for statistical analysis and data visualization.